Today we're going to be taking a look at these Peterbilt 386 and 387 projection headlights from United Pacific. These projection headlights are available in chrome or blackout and available for driver side or passenger side. They come with high and low beam function and are sold individually. They're DOT and SAE approved and fit most Peterbilt 330s from 2006 or newer, Peterbilt 386s from 2005 through 2015, Peterbilt 387s from 1999 through 2010, Peterbilt 384s from 2007 through 2014, and Peterbilt 382s from 2007 through 2018. They also feature a 3-year manufacturer warranty. You can find links to all the products you've seen today in the video description, and check out our site at bigrigchromeshop.com.